Hi everyone, this is Suresh, and in this video I am going to discuss about current situation of COVID-19 in India. So if we look at the statistics once, there were almost 11 lakh 17,000 people has been tested positively so far as of today. So which is July 20th. And almost there were 27,500 deaths. And there were 7 lakh people or more than 7 lakh people has been recovered so far, and 4 lakh people or more than to it are still recovering. The positive side of it is the recovery rate is good, which is 62%. So 7 lakh out of 11 lakh 17,000 is almost 62%. So which is a positive thing for everyone. But the negative thing is the 27,000 people that we have lost already. So in terms of percentage, it is less, which is 3%, but 27,000 is not a joke, losing on one disease. It never happened in recent past, in India at least. The worrying factor for many of the people is not just they got the disease, but they were denied of hospital admissions for some of the people. And for some of the people, they don't even know where to go and how to get tested if they are tested positive, if they are facing some symptoms or whatever. And some people, if they are tested positive and they don't know how to take home medicines and they don't know how to take or expect some advice from the doctors by staying at home. So I want to clarify that first, because this gap is there for most of the people, and this is very useful information that we should have it handy, because we don't know when this disease will touch us, and no one is exceptional to this disease, because the rate of increase that it is showing up on daily basis is phenomenal, and everyone should be ready to tackle this if at all they face it, unfortunately. Okay, let us start with this. I did some online research on different hospitals that are providing COVID-19 treatment. So first of all, if you want to test it for COVID-19, if you are feeling some symptoms and want to test it, then you don't know where to go, this is the place where you can get all this information. So for each state, Government of India has given some numbers. These are all working numbers. I tried couple numbers and these are all working, and you can get basic information from this number. Like if you are feeling symptoms and you wanted to walk down to some testing center primarily to get tested, then this is the number that you need to call. Then they will assist you where you have to walk down for your testing to be done, and they will provide you the nearest testing center for your location. So for Andhra Pradesh, this is the number, and for Telangana, this is the number 104. Even I tried this 104 and it is very helpful. Once you are tested, if it is negative, that is happy. And unfortunately, if you are tested positive, then what to do next? Either you can go with the any one of the government hospital if you wanted to go, or if you wanted to go with some treatment in the private hospitals, be careful, because in private hospitals, as we see, there were many false players running very actively to squeeze blood of the patients. So they are costing lakhs of rupees just for fever treatment. So the fact is, as per many of the official sources, 80% of the symptoms are treated at home or can be treated at home, and only 15 to 18 or 15% people need hospitality, and only 5% people need intensive care facilities. So this is the current statistics as per the experts. So out of this 80% of the people who need only home care, and they can fine they can be fine if they take medicine at home. So for this 80% of the people, whatever the information that I am providing will be helpful, And in case if your symptoms are severe and if you are feeling in such a way you cannot stay back at home anymore, then you have to walk down immediately to any of the hospital and get treated, and you may fall into this 15% mostly. And in worst cases, this 5% needs some ICU care or whatever. So now, if you see for private hospitals, I did some analysis. What are all different private hospitals that are providing Hack 2 support on COVID 19? So, Yashoda Hospital is offering some packages to treat COVID 19 by keeping you at home. So, one package they call home quarantine, and another package they are calling it as home follow up. So, for home quarantine, it is 19,500 rupees per person, and the package details are like this. The package will be for 15 days. That means for continuous 15 days, you will get the support from this. And they will provide you one kit that contains digital pulse oximeter. Oximeter is something to test the pulse level of our body, which will indicate the oxygen levels as well. And the thermometer, as you know, the temperature, and the masks, sanitizer, and the incentive spirometer. This incentive spirometer is something related to the lung exercise. So by making use of this equipment, if you are feeling difficult to breathe, then you can expand your lungs with a deep breathing with the support of this incentive spirometer, and this also they are providing. And another thing is disposable bags and gloves, common things, and complete guidance regarding home isolation, care, disinfection as per standard guidelines. Daily virtual monitoring of vitals like oxygen saturation and medication compliance, and they will provide you the medication and you need to take it, I think mostly from outside on your own, because they don't walk down to your home. They will only prescribe the medicine and you have to take it on your own. And alternate day video consultation by the physician with medication reconciliation, and two dietitian video consultations. So, as you know, diet is playing a vital role in this COVID 19 disease controlling or treatment. So, they are providing two dietitian video consultations and you can follow their diet. And next thing is virtual movement and mobility breathing sessions conducted by professional physiotherapist. Okay, they are providing physiotherapy support as well. Two sessions on diet and two sessions on the exercises by physiotherapist. So this package is costing around 19,500 per person for 15 days, and this is only for people who wanted to take medication by staying back at home, and for persons with COVID-19 symptoms. And another package is home follow-up. This is for 14,500 per person, and this package also includes more or less same things, and they are providing one dietitian consultation. Here it is two, and here two sessions with the physiotherapist. So you can you can utilize this facility, any of this package, instead of going to the hospital and making use of one bed there. You can make that bed available for the really required person from the 15% of the population, if at all if you are into this 80%. And next hospital is Apollo. So Apollo, I don't see any packages in Apollo, but they are treating COVID-19, and you have to go through the normal procedures that they do on regular basis every time. So you can log in their portal, and here they are providing online consultation. This is also online. You don't have to go there. Once you are tested by government agencies or whatever, and by taking that report, you can consult these people. So you can just take the consultation of any physician, and further they will guide you and they will assist you how to treat yourself on the COVID-19 by staying at home. And the next one is Care Hospital. So Care Hospital is also offering some packages similar to Yashoda Hospital. And here if you see there are three packages. One is basic package and another one is advanced package, and this one is not package. This one is COVID-19 care kit. So let us see how this costs. So this basic package is costing almost 4,500 rupees for 7 days of home quarantine, and they are providing daily video consultation by physician and home delivery of medicines, and home sample collection service is provided if our physician advise after consultation with the patient. Okay, it's a good feature. I don't see it in the Yashoda, but I'm not sure if they also do it, but they didn't mention there. And guidance for admission if required, and 24 by 7 ambulance support. So this is only for 7 days and this covers all of this, and even they are supplying medicines to the home. And advanced package, and this is costing almost 9,000 rupees, and this is for 17 days of home quarantine and daily video consultation by physician and home delivery of medicines and home sample collection if required by physician after your consultation. So guidance for admission if required, and 24 by 7 ambulance support. So more or less same features, but this one is for 17 days and this is for 7 days. And let's see what this kit covers. So same thing: digital thermometer, pulse oximeter, spirometer, masks, gloves, sanitizer, and additionally it is covering supplement tablets, so vitamin C and zinc tablets. So we know that vitamin C and zinc and some other additional mineral tablets are good at this time to take. And even for the normal patients who are protecting themselves from the COVID-19, so they can start using any multivitamin tablets on regular basis post to the lunch. And this kit can be delivered to patients in the city limits of Hyderabad. Okay, we don't have to go to hospital; they will deliver to us. But there is some restriction in terms of the location. So Hyderabad, Visakhapatnam, Bhubaneswar, Raipur, and Nagpur. For only these areas, they are providing it. And now let's move on to the next, Medicover. So Medicover is also providing some home packages, and this is home isolation package one, which is costing almost 6,000 rupees, and this covers for 15 days. And the next one is home isolation package 2, and this one is 8,000 rupees, and this is also for 15 days. And I don't see the much differences between these two here. So the next one is Star Hospital. So Star Hospital is also providing some packages. One is 7 days package, that is 4,900 per patient, and one more is 14 days package, that is 9,100 per package. So seamless monitoring of temperature, pulse oximeter, same thing like any other package, and a doctor consultation 3 per week. Okay, here it is only 3 per week. That means almost one for 2 days, like Yashoda. And dietitian consultation 2 per week, and physiotherapy consultation 2 per week. Okay, these two things are 2 per week. Helping and guidance for the patient's family members to ensure safety and well-being. Okay, you can call this number if you wanted to go with Star Hospital. So 9154081818. And all these hospitals facilities or even the online consultation, that whatever they are offering in these websites, are subjected to availability of the doctor's time slot, because day by day the cases are increasing, as everyone knows, and doctors are getting busy on day by day as number of cases are also increasing. But I'm hoping that at this point you will be getting some slots at least, and you will be make use of any of these packages. And the next one is Sunshine. I don't see any specific packages given here in this portal, but I came to know through one of my friend that Sansan is also providing treatment for the COVID-19, and they are also doing a great job. So again, this is also through telemedicine as like any other packages that we have discussed so far, but I don't know the real approach how they are dealing with in terms of care, and Yashoda and other star you have seen the packages and what they are providing and how to approach you have seen. But here you need to call these numbers. This is the Gachibowli number and this is Secunderabad number, and this one is from Karimnagar. So for Hyderabad people you can call in these two numbers. And this is another online portal that is providing treatment for the COVID-19. So that is Doc Online. So this Doc Online is something like a purely online based treatment, a telemedicine kind of thing. So you will not see any hospital facilities for these people. So if you wanted to go with some standard hospital, then you have to prefer hospitals that we have discussed so far, or you can search for the other hospitals that you wanted to near to you. So this portal is actually offering one account, and you need to open one account here. If you click on this, and it will open like this. So you need to sign up for the first time if you are logging here. So these are all the details you need to register. So I already registered. Let me just quickly log in and show you how to make use of this facility. So this is the dashboard, and if you come here, so book a consultation. So if I book a consultation here, so this online portal is supported by a number of private doctors that are available across the state and across the country. So what happens is some doctors are already working doctors in some of the private hospitals, and part time they may be doing their job here, and some doctors are working here full time. But in any case, you will be given some slot, and in that slot some doctor will be available, and you need to in touch with him, and you need to get treated with the suggestions and whatever the prescription and description that doctor will suggest for you on your situation. So simply click on this book now and check all these and complete book consultation, and next you will be given time slots and all, and accordingly you need to follow. So this is, I prefer this one if anyone if anyone is asymptomatic, but in the random check they were tested positive, and if anyone is very mild symptoms and they are tested positive, in those cases, if you are not comfortable of spending too much of money in different hospitals, and if you are not comfortable of going to any government hospital, still you wanted to treat yourself with some minimum medication, then you go with this portal and book a consultation with any of the physician available, and you can get treated with minimum amount just for the medication, and the consultation fees you may have to pay. But other people who don't want to take any risk in terms of even if the symptoms are little high, or if the symptoms are increasing day by day, I prefer them to go with any standard hospital, because the standard hospitals are providing the inpatient services as well. So as long as you are taking any of these packages mentioned here, so if you are improving daily, and if it is okay with these packages, if you are completely out of COVID-19, then that is fine. But in any worst cases, if situation is worsening day by day and symptoms are increasing, then you wanted to be admit in hospital, then it will be easy for you if you are already taking medication through that hospital. And since same hospital is providing inpatient facility, and you'll be given some priority under this circumstances where even beds are also not available. Governments, both state governments and central government, and doctors community, and police department, sanitary workers, all these people are doing their part to control the situation, and they are actually doing a great job from last 3 or 4 months. And even we have seen some cases where doctors are got infected, and police department people also got infected with the disease, and sanitary workers as well. So they are putting their lives in the risk just to save us, and it is high time for everyone to realize the current situation, and it is the responsibility of every citizen of India to take precautionary measures, and we have to take precautionary measures ourselves, our family, and our community where we are living. So have some basic information handy with you always, and be prepared ahead of the times, and try to fight the disease with confidence. And along with proper diet, along with proper medication, and along with proper exercises, with good confidence, so many people are beating it, and they have proved it as a effective tool to come out of this disease, and we also have to follow it. Take care of your children, take care of your elders in the family, and take care of your communities as well. Thank you all. Before ending this, my heartfelt condolences for all those families who have lost their loved ones.